guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm going to the gym. It was not something I wanted to do, but I wrote it in my planner. I think I even commented on my Instagram post. I was like, so if you write it in your planner, that means it has to happen, right? Let's see. Well, it is 11:36 and I woke up at like 10:15. I tell you, I don't sleep, and I really don't sleep. It's just like, damn, that car was flying. I literally don't sleep ever, like ever. I maybe sleep a couple hours a night, and I know that's terrible. And I try to go to bed early. I cut my caffeine off early. Like I set myself up for success. I know I still have 2 different nails, and I just don't sleep. So I was like, okay, well, it was like 12:15 last night, and I was like, well, I'm gonna edit Vlogmas video because I didn't put one up. I think it was the 12th and 13th that I didn't actually put up. But I had been filming. I mean, they're shorter vlogs. I think the total vlog is 10 minutes. And then I still have to edit today's that's going live. Since technically that was supposed to be yesterday's, even though technically it went up at like 1 a.m. And then I have to go back and edit the 2 default photos for the other ones that I posted that I haven't done yet. So it's like, And then I need to start working on monthly kits because I'm gonna bring them back, but I'm gonna bring them back blank. Monthly kits were like the #1 seller in my shop, but I had like the add-on foil. It was like individual, like I only foiled like the header part, but I had that as an add-on. So I'm debating either doing like chunks of 4 or individual. But I feel like if I do chunks of 4, like they're not necessarily just like for my shop. You can use them for like whoever's shop. So, because I feel like that's kind of the way people are going to is blank monthlies. But I'm obsessed with my V6 setup. And I use it in my Erin Condren. Yes. Holy, look at all those cops. There were so many cops. It like blocked the entire road. I wonder what happened. Yeah, the gym is packed. It's not even New Year's. Like, people, you don't work out. Why are you all of a sudden working out? I know, it's terrible. But like, literally, it's packed. I haven't even walked in yet. I'm like, I just wanted to get on the stair stepper for, oh, just locked it, 30 minutes. Like, that's it. And be in and out. And now I'll be lucky if there's a stair stepper open. Although I feel like there might be. All right, well, so much for a packed gym. I mean, like usually, like I'm at the end of my row and like it goes all the way that way, but usually it's like never busy on this side, and it's like 4, 5, 6 rows, and like they're all busy. So, okay, well, it's gonna be fun. I'm very tired. I did the stair stepper for 30 minutes. The lady next to me was powering through them. She did an hour on the stair stepper. I mean, she looked like she literally jumped in the pool. I was like, damn. I could have gone longer, but and I went and cooled down on the treadmill for 10 minutes. So 30 minutes on the stair stepper, 10 minutes on the treadmill. And I think I ended just shy of 415 calories for the day for 45 minutes. I'll take it. I don't mind that. Oh my God, this person about to get hit by a car. Why? This may be everywhere, but in Atlanta may be the worst. It is a green light. We are on a very busy street, and they proceed to walk across, and there's a hill on each side. Like, you're a Yep, he walked across and almost got hit by that car over there. So I feel good that I went. I remember why I go, because I feel better, but man, I've been so busy. And then Winter Plannerland, like I never stopped working out. I just reduced my days, and I probably should just do it every other day and just be happy with that and just find that balance. So it would be essentially 3 to 4 times a week. That would be my workout schedule. Instead of, I was doing 7 days, brought it down to 6, and then I brought it down to 5. So I think if I do it every other day, that's like a normal like amount of time, not like obsessive. Because like I told you, I have like tunnel vision, so I get that way, but yeah. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. I'm about to do the other side of my nails finally. I know it's taken a minute. So I'm gonna show you pieces of it. I did show you removing my old set, but I will show you a little bit, but I will have that full tutorial on my nail channel. I don't know if it'll go up next because I kind of want to put like my greenish one up next. Not this one, but I'm trying to figure out. No, maybe the snowflake will go up next because the greenish one necessarily doesn't have to be Christmas. Either does this one, but we'll see. I'm getting used to them. I kind of miss the long nails, but I don't hate it. So I'm getting used to it. So we'll see. Just realized I didn't film anything on this camera. So even with the magic of editing and putting 2 and 2 together as I film this, I did film it, but I filmed it on my other camera, but for some reason my mind didn't get there that I literally can insert a picture from the tutorial that will be up on that second channel. So if I start rambling about not filming and it being up, it will be up, but it will be on my second channel. But don't worry, I'm inserting this clip right now for you in like playback time. I did film it completely on for my nail channel, so it will be up, but I'm still trying to show like pieces in here, and I'm really sorry that I didn't get it. So these are them, my short little nails. I'm getting used to it. I don't hate it. I just don't know if it's me, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I am just tightening all this up. I need to at least put this stuff away. I'm not gonna clean the top here because I'm too lazy, but I wanna get this stuff away so I can go shower, because I feel like, obviously I need to shower anyway, but like, I need to get ready for tonight, even though, so it's 4 o'clock. It says starts at 7. I don't know if I'm gonna show up at 7 because they're not giving us dinner. So we may just go grab something to eat. Here is the sweater. It's like super short, so I just wear some really high-waisted, and then I'll have my heels on, so it'll be perfect. Just kind of pop it. Okay, I gotta go. My husband's saying I have to go, so bye-bye.